Hello students, myself Rajveer and I would like to welcome you all on behalf of Shiv Jyoti Educational Group Kota. Students, today we'll just revise this English literature. This is for class 4. Let's start with the very first thing, that is chapter number 4, The Trumpet of the Swans. As we have read this chapter, in this chapter you have learned, हम लोग ने ये पढ़ा था that this is the story about a boy, a small boy and a pair of a swan, right? Now let's see what's there. You can open page number 37 in your books if you want to see. There is a story. Now this is a story about Sam Beaver, an 11-year-old boy. As I have told you, this is a story about a small boy. एक छोटे boy की story है जो सिर्फ 11 years old है. His name is Sam Beaver. Okay. Now one day what happened? He was going through the jungle and in between the jungle he saw a small pond. And in between the pond there were two swans were there, right? There was a pair of swan, one cob swan and one swan. Cob swan in the sense जो male swan होता है उसको हम the cob बोलते हैं. Okay. Now what he has seen there, once while walking through the forest he saw a big nest of two trumpeter swans. They are very rare. It is very rare to just बहुत मुश्किल से trumpeter swans देखने को मिलते हैं. And he was feeling very happy to see them. वो बहुत ज़्यादा खुश हो रहा था उनको देखकर, बहुत ज़्यादा excited था उनको देखकर, but उसने उनको कुछ बोला नहीं. The swan saw Sam sitting quietly on a log and had no gun. मतलब swans ने भी उसको देख लिया था बैठे हुए. Log in the sense होता है, I'll just show you what do you mean by log. Log एक लकड़ी होती है, means जैसे पेड़ का तना होता है, like this, ऐसा सा होता है. This is wood. This is all wood and the boy was sitting over here. And the boy was sitting here on the log. Okay. Now let's see further what happened. The swan saw Sam sitting quietly on the log and had no gun. And had no gun in the sense जब उनको animals को, birds को ऐसा feel होता है कि किसी के पास अगर gun है तो he is going to harm us, वो हमें नुकसान पहुंचाएगा. But उन्होंने देखा कि उसके पास में कोई gun नहीं है. He was not having any gun, anything dangerous, कुछ भी उसके पास में नहीं है. उन्होंने ऐसा देखा. Now after some days the red fox stood behind the bushes. After some days in the sense after a week, after a month, वो बॉय दोबारा गया वहाँ पर देखने के लिए the swans, उनके nest के अंदर there were 4 eggs on which the swan is sitting and warming the eggs, right? तो उसने क्या देखा कि bushes के पीछे एक red fox खड़ा है and he was about to spring on the swan. वो swan के ऊपर attack करने ही वाला है. But meanwhile क्या होता है? Then a stick came hurtling through the air and stuck the fox on his nose. दूर से एक स्टिक आता है एंड दैट स्टिक हर्ट द फॉक्स ऑन हिज नोज. उसके नोज पे बहुत जोर से वो हर्ट होता है वो स्टिक से और वो फॉक्स वहाँ से भाग जाता है. ही रैन अवे फ्रॉम देयर. लाइक दिस द सैम बीवर सेव द स्वान्स फ्रॉम द फॉक्स. इसी तरह से जो स्वान्स हैं उनको बचाया. किसने बचाया? सैम बीवर ने. बट एनीवेज द स्वान्स आर लाइक, उसके बाद में स्वान्स को ऐसा फील हुआ कि दैट बॉय इज आवर फ्रेंड, ही इज नॉट आवर एनिमी. ओके. So this was the book work we have read. Now students, let's see internal questions. Now whom did the swan see sitting on a log? Who किसको देख रहे थे वो लोग जो log के ऊपर बैठा हुआ था? This is on your page number 37. You can see in your book. I can show you. Look, it is there on page number 37 in the second paragraph. You can write the question above just there. Who did the swan see sitting on a log? The small boy. किसको देखा था उन्होंने? A small boy. Who was protecting the swan and her eggs from the enemies? This is on page number 38. You can see. We can write it here. हम इस तरह से ऊपर लिख सकते हैं that who was protecting the swan and her eggs from the enemies? That was the cob. Cob कौन होते हैं? जो male swans होते हैं, that are cobs. Okay. Now who was never tired of sitting in the nest warming the eggs? कौन है जो बिल्कुल भी नहीं थकता है अपने नेस्ट में बैठ के एग्स को वार्म करने के लिए? दैट इज द स्वान. इट इज अगेन ऑन पेज नंबर 38. यू कैन राइट द क्वेश्चन हियर एंड you can mark the answer like this. Okay, like this you can mark the internal questions and the answers over there. Now let's see the notebook work. I'll show you. This is the notebook work. These are the new words: trumpet, enormous, peered, intruder, furious, spellbound, prowled, glided, victory, arching. What you have to do, you have to learn these words properly so that you can remember them. Okay, now let's see further word meanings. Startled, surprised. When we are startled, we are surprised. Okay, bothering, disturbing. Cygnets, young swans, means the eggs which were about to grow और उसके अंदर से क्या निकलेंगे, cygnets निकलेंगे. Cautiously, very very carefully. जब हम बहुत ध्यान से किसी चीज़ को हैंडल करते हैं, that means cautiously. Okay, now answer the following questions. What did Sam Beaver find in the forest? Sam Beaver को forest में क्या मिलता है? He found a big nest of two enormous trumpeter swans nearby a lonely pond. Nearby a lonely pond, एक खाली pond के वहाँ पर उसको एक swans का pair मिलता है. Okay. Now, why did the swan ask the cob not to fight with the boy? Why did the swan ने cob in the sense जो male swan था उसको क्यों बोला कि not to fight with the boy? Because the boy was sitting quietly and had not attacked them. और क्योंकि उन्होंने देखा कि बॉय जो है वो बिल्कुल चुपचाप बैठा हुआ है, उसके पास में कोई गन भी नहीं है और उसने उनको कुछ प्रॉब्लम भी नहीं करा, कोई अटैक भी नहीं करा. ओके, नाउ व्हाई डू यू थिंक द स्वान वेटेड टिल द बॉय लेफ्ट टू गेट अप फ्रॉम हर नेस्ट? व्हाई डिड यू थिंक दैट द स्वान वेटेड टिल द बॉय लेफ्ट टू गेट अप फ्रॉम द नेस्ट? मतलब स्वान ने इतनी देर तक वेट क्यों किया? The swan wanted to protect her eggs. Swan जो थी वो अपने eggs को protect करना चाह रही थी. She just want to protect her eggs from the boy. उसको ऐसा लग रहा था that कि boy may be उसको नुकसान पहुंचाएगा. He may harm us. So she waited for the boy to leave before leaving the nest. Therefore, before leaving the nest, मतलब वो wait कर रही थी that the boy will go and then I will leave the nest. Okay. Now let's see further. Who saved the swan and how? Sam Beaver, that 11-year-old boy, saved the swan by throwing a stick towards the red fox, which struck the fox on the nose. उसने दूर से एक stick फेंका, that stuck the red fox on his nose, and therefore that fox ran away from there. Okay, like this, Sam Beaver saved the swans from the fox. Now, read the lines below and answer the following questions. The swans now realized that the boy was their friend. Swans को कैसे realize हुआ that the boy was their friend? What was the name of the boy? Sam Beaver was the name of the boy. This we are studying from the starting that Sam Beaver was the name of the boy. What had they thought of the boy previously? पहले वो boy के लिए क्या सोच रहे थे? What they were thinking previously? The swan was very surprised to see the boy inside the forest. Swans जो थे वो बहुत ज़्यादा surprised थे that in between the forest what this boy is doing, what he is doing here alone in the forest, and disturbed to notice him observing them. The cob had thought that the boy may try to harm them. The cob मतलब जो male swan था, he was thinking that boy may harm us, वो हमें नुकसान पहुंचा सकता है. Okay, now What made them change their opinion? What made them change their opinion? उन्होंने अपना opinion कैसे change किया? कैसे उनका जो point of view था regarding that boy is changed? How? They changed their opinion when the boy saved them by throwing a stick on the fox. When the boy has thrown that stick on the fox, they have changed their opinion as the boy has saved them from that red fox. Otherwise, the boy had sprung on the swan. Okay. Now, let's see further. Make sentences. Gazed. They gazed at me with surprise. When we look at somebody, right, that is, they gazed at me with surprise. Shallow, she put the milk in a shallow dish. Hurtling, I saw the things hurtling towards the window. Thrilled, we were so thrilled to explore the Disneyland. Thrilled matlab excited. Now what you can do, you can make sentences of your own, but be careful while making the sentences that grammatical errors should not be there. Thank you and have a very nice day.